What's up guys, it's me Trav, and today I am back with a new unboxing video, and today I have a couple of things that I'm going to show you guys and a couple of things that I am going to unbox. So it's new things from my GoPro Hero 9 Black. I still have the GoPro Hero 8, which is right here with the mod, but now we have a new member of the family, a couple of new members of the family, of the GoPro family, which is the display mod, baby. The display mod, I finally got it. It finally came out. I've been waiting for a long time for this baby to come out, and finally I'm so excited to get this thing unboxed. Another thing that's part of the GoPro family is the media mod. This baby, I've been trying to get it. I've been waiting for it to come out. It's been saying it's been sold out on the GoPro website. I went to Best Buy and Best Buy says coming soon. So when I had that opportunity to get this baby, because I need this baby to hook on the display mod to the top of it, just like my GoPro Hero 8. It has the slots at the top, which I'll show you guys later. And also another thing that's new to the GoPro family, of my family, because you know I got the GoPro because you know it's an action camera. I can take it on the go, I can use it as a webcam, and I can actually, you know, go on water with it, which today I actually got my GoPro Hero 9 wet because it was raining outside, and it actually did good. I'm kind of worried that it was gonna mess up, but it actually stood up because I have no case on it. Also, let's get into the last family member of the GoPro family, which is this Max Pod. Basically I got this today at Best Buy. I read the reviews on it. I was doing my research. One thing y'all want to do is do your research before y'all even buy anything, to make sure that the product actually works along with the product that you want it to work with, because if you don't do your research, then you're going to get disappointed. So it's the Max Tripod+Tripod. So I can use it as a selfie stick, or I can use it as a tripod. Okay, so let's get this display mod open. So I already opened the display mod because I was excited to get it open, but this is what it comes with. It comes with in this case, this nice case that comes into the box. Plus, when you open it, GoPro really did a good job at protecting their stuff. So let's just try to get this open. This box is hard to open, but with all said, hold up. Okay, there, I got it last week. So I used it once because I wanted to do an unboxing video and show you guys what comes in the box. So this is the display screen. This is exactly how it is. All right, now the media mod. This baby I waited for a long time. Like, I can't say it enough. I waited a long time for it. GoPro was sold out. Best Buy said coming soon. I was like, oh man, luckily I did not get rid of my GoPro Hero 8, because if I would have got rid of my GoPro Hero 8 for the 9, don't get me wrong, I love the 9, but I got the wireless microphone, so basically I couldn't have aux port hooked up to it, so that's why I kept my Hero 8 and I got the 9. So let's unbox this baby right here. Let's unbox it, yeah. So we're gonna just rip it open. I really don't care. I'm gonna rip this baby open. Some people just opens it all nicely. Me, man, come on. Okay, so the media mod actually comes with some good stuff. It comes with one of these guys, which is a docking port for the GoPro. So this one actually lets you like lean the GoPro. When you put the GoPro on, it'll actually let you lean it back, lean it forward, or like it'll move from back to from front to back. So whenever you want to, like, you know, face down or whatever you want to do, then it will do that. It comes with the pen. Of course, it also has to come with the pen. So so that you can lock your GoPro in place, because if you don't have this, then your GoPro will whoopsie down to the floor. I love my technology, but anyways, so this one, I just took off this. This right here covers out the sound that you don't want. The Media Mod, which I like what they did, was they put the covers over the port where it allows you to cover the port so it doesn't get dusty, dirty, or even wet. Remember folks, this is not waterproof, so if you do take it out in the water, or you do, try to swim with it, you will mess it up. And also you might mess up your GoPro too, because your GoPro, when you hook up your GoPro to this Media Mod, you will have to take off the door. You will mess up the mic, so just try to be wary. A little water won't hurt, but excessive water will actually hurt, because you will damage your GoPro, probably your footages that's on your GoPro, your memory card, etc, etc. But like I said, I love how they covered the ports. So whatever ports that you actually need, you flip that one back, you got a micro USB port. Flip that back, you gotta flip the middle one, you got a USB-C to USB. Then you got the aux port, and this is the one that I was happy that I didn't give away my GoPro, like trade it back in for the Hero 9, and I just bought the GoPro Hero 9 outright, because without this Media Mod, I couldn't use the display. Without this Media Mod, I couldn't use my wireless microphone. So it came in handy, because you have the ports where it can actually, you can dock the, as I got the light, I have the light right here. So I can put the light right here, one side right there. If you want to go in, come on, let's go. Okay, we had you backwards. So if I want to put the light right there, then basically I could put the light right there and then put the display on top, right? So let's put this baby in. So we're gonna hook this up. You just clip this in to the top of the mic. So just clip it in, up, we got it backwards. Just clip this in. All right, so this will shut out the noise that you don't want. So this does come in handy when you're trying to when you're outside and there's so much wind. This will cut out the sound from the wind from blowing so much. So we got our GoPro Hero 9, right? And look, we already have it on one of these little docking things, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take this off. So every GoPro, like the Hero 8, comes with the flaps. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna flap this down. So what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to take off the door. So the door is easy to come off. What you do is just go like that, and then just pull the door off. The door will come off, right? Now, the battery, the memory card stays in place. The USB-C is going to slide into this USB-C that's inside the mount. So if you guys can tell, it's inside the mount. So we're gonna just pull this down, pull it down, and open the door, right? So we're gonna just slide the GoPro in, slide it in, right? Now we're gonna just close the door. Make sure that the GoPro is in so that it can communicate. Snap that door in place. Now you got your GoPro and your mod in place. So now you don't have to worry about, oh, I can't use my mod. So once you turn on this GoPro, the mod will actually always be, intact. So now it's gonna say Media Mod connected. The Media Mod is connected to it. So basically it just lets you know the mic is set to front. Tap video settings to change it or set up a shortcut, right? So we can set it up, or we can actually, as I'm speaking, you can actually see that the GoPro is actually picking up my sound. Okay, so we got one more thing to announce. It's this baby right here. So we got the Max Grip and Tripod that we want to open. So we have the GoPro 9 waiting right there nicely, patiently for this to be open, so we can open it. We can get it. Well, waiting there patiently for us to open. Okay, so the GoPro Hero 8 is waiting right here for us to open this tripod, because You know, finally I got a tripod for the GoPro Hero 8 and for the GoPro Hero 9. So let's get this baby open and see what's inside. Well, we already know what's inside, but you know how it looks. Comes with so this is what it comes with. It's just the pod and stuff like that. So I'm guessing this opens and everything. So yeah, it's pretty cool. This is how it looks. What you do is take these flaps out and unflap them, and basically you have 1, 2, and